This is a product from Bumpershellz. So it's coming to basically I'm using for my Tacoma chrome delete for the rear bumper. It's gonna go on the top. Thus it comes with both side and instruction manual, as you see the second one. It's basically the instruction. You can just scan it and see how you can install. It's pretty easy. That's all for now for the unboxing of Bumpershellz. Stay tuned for installation video. Thank you for watching. Alright guys, first we're gonna clean up the chrome bumper. You can use alcohol or other cleaning product. The cleaner it is better. It's gonna stick because the bumper have a 3M tape. So this is the first process, get it clean. All right, once you get it clean and ready, I clean it both sides. You can use it alcohol or any other cleaning product. Make sure get it all the corner. The cleaner it is, the better it will stick to the 3M tape. Next process, we're gonna take out this clip over here. This one, there's a 3. We are using the flathead screwdriver to take it out. So you gotta be patient about it. I think I'm getting the wrong one. So once I take it out, okay, I take one out on the corner as you see. Now take out the ones it got popped back. You can pretty much pull it down, and that's what it looked like. So let's get it all done. I will repeat the process for the other side, other 3 as well. Now you see the other side have been taken out. So there you go, that's the third one. Let's get with the next process, which is we have to dry install it without removing. So I'm gonna put it and use the pry bar to go underneath this cap over here. Gotta go underneath it, and then last thing we're gonna put those clip back on. So let's do this. As you see, this is how it's look. Dry install. I did not have removed the tape, and that's what the other side look like. Okay, let's get it done. Okay, after it complete installation, that's how it look like on the back. Don't forget to install the clip 1, 2, and the third one over here on the both side. And take out the 3M tape before you install it, and that will complete the installation. After 2 months, I will have a product review, how it holding up. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. If you like, please thumbs up and subscribe. It will help the channel.